Hi guys, David, the guy that likes to order things online here. Today I thought I'd make a different video showing you what I did to fix this bottle of mousse and get it working again. Sometimes we order things online and they arrive broken, and this bottle of mousse was actually broken right here. I don't know if you can tell anymore. And I did not want to go back to Walmart because I ordered it from Walmart, so I didn't want to take it back to Walmart and get a refund or get it exchanged. I thought that was too much of a hassle, and it kind of defeated the purpose of ordering online. So I tried something out and it actually worked. I thought I'd show you guys here. This was an old bottle of mousse that I had, and yeah, now you guys know what I use. It's the only thing that can tame my hair apparently. This bottle of mousse, I just broke it. I don't know if you can see right there. That little part is supposed to be connected. And I thought I would do that for science, just so I could show you guys a good example of how to get it back on there. In case this ever happens to you, you don't have to take it back into the store. You can just try to fix it yourself if you want. Even if you have one of these around and you drop it on the floor or something and you break it, this might help you out. I'm not saying it's gonna help everyone because these are not all the same, but it might. So it's just something good to know. So first thing you need is a butter knife and some sort of cloth or even a mitt if you want. You wanna get your knife, put it in there, and you need a stove, of course. So I'm gonna turn on this burner. And I'm gonna put it at about medium heat, and I'm just gonna heat up the top of this knife. So I think I did that for about 10 seconds or so, maybe a little bit less. Once that's warm enough, just grab your bottle of mousse. Try to get it in the camera here. And then just kind of gently tap on where it's broken. You can see the plastic start to melt a little bit. And that probably needs a little bit more. So I'm gonna get a little bit more heat. See if I can show you here, and just kind of melt in that little part that's supposed to be connected. And then as you can see right there, it is connected again. So that's cool. Now I'm gonna let that dry for a little bit and show you guys something else. I'd also ordered this bottle of shampoo for my dog, and of course, you know, they didn't put any bubble wrap or anything inside, and the cap came broken. So it's like this, and it won't tighten, it won't screw on onto the bottle itself. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try fixing this as well. And you can see that crack right there. I'm gonna take my knife and I'm gonna heat it up again. And then I'm just going to go over this crack. And you don't have to press too hard. You'll know with the heat of the knife how much it is starting to melt and join the plastic again. But I just need it to seal. So I think that should do it. Oh, let me try a little bit more. Originally, I thought of using super glue, but I've done that before and it doesn't really work. Oh, sorry, let me bring it into focus. So there you go. As you can see, it's a little warm, but it's not too bad. There is the crack that was, it's no longer. So let's go back to the bottle of mousse. I'm gonna turn off this burner just to be safe. I don't think there's much in here, but I'll show you that it should work. Or not. Well, I mean, it does work. It's just, there's nothing in there, but now it's not falling off. This side is supposed to move a little bit, but it's connected at the top. Let me just get rid of this. And on this one that I just ordered online and it just came in today, you can see right here, all of this had fallen off. And you can see where I kind of melted the plastic. And now it works. And it doesn't fall off or anything. So, if you guys have anything made out of plastic that's kind of broken at the top and this can help you, awesome. I just thought I'd share a weird little tip with you guys today because I'm so happy I didn't have to go into my Walmart to get this exchanged. And I'm really happy that I didn't have to send this back, or actually I don't even think I would have sent this one back. I probably would have just used another bottle that I had before, but you can see it looks pretty good. It's pretty sealed. And you can see right there, it's pretty tight and it screws on now. It's on all the way. So, looks good to me. See you later.